E kaunti ma Kisumu ne koro riwruoge mag kanise National Council of Churches in Kenya Ncck bade mano ma Kisumu County medo keto kenge mag kelo kwe kind oganda motelo yiero madwe manyien. Koteleganyo kod Bishop Edwin Ogola mar CCA duol no ni bende no bedo kod romo makende e kanisa mar CCA bade mano ma migosi Kisumu kendo koro gi wacho kanyo ni gitiego jopiny ka gitudo kanyo kod duol mar Iebc e mar neno kaka kwe nyalo nya kinde duto. Bishop Edwin okwayo jo Kenya duto to bed joma bolore kendo land kwe ka josiasa tim campaigns e yor kwe puoyo Iebc ewi ikruok ma giseketo. Korka returning officer mar Iebc bade ma Kisumu West John Matiko puoyo kanisa ewi kawo ndamo mar lando kwe kendo koro gen gikore timo yiero mar kwe. Weche ma bende kono puoyo kod Cardinal Elias Omenya kod jochung'ne boda migosi boda ma migosi mano yudore Kisumu migosi Mike Gowi.
I'm a boda rider. I'm based here in Moyo, Kisumu Central Sub-County. And my message today is going directly to my fellow riders. Actually, today's meeting was meant for peacemaking, and we are here purposely for peacemaking. I thank God for this wonderful day, that those who have turned out in large number to come for this peacemaking, I'm very much happy for that. And I want to address my fellow riders to tell them that it is high time we people of this beloved sector, we must stand up and say enough is enough. We don't want to be used in any way. It is our right to go and vote. But we do not want to take part in those nonsense, those chaos. We don't want to be very much chaotic because our name has really gone viral that we are very chaotic people. We want to tell Kenyans that we are not chaotic people. We are very much organized. We are very responsive. We are so responsible. We are fathers. We are parents. So what we are saying is this: we don't want our name to be dented. We want to keep our name safe. We want to restore that trust that we are really respected people, and we believe that this our sector will only be maintained with those who are very much focused, those who are of a self-discipline. Because without a self-discipline, you can't work at any place. So first and foremost, I am preaching for peace, peace, peace.
Iebc wishes to share more during these functions. We are open, we are ready, because you are our key stakeholders, both the media and the religious organizations. You are our key stakeholders. You mingle so much with the members of the public. You are role models. Members of the public believe much in you, and they listen to you. If we empower you with what we are doing, how prepared, what is happening at every stage in the election cycle, you can help us disseminate that information better.
Not usimamie mwingine wewe usiende huko kwa mawe, enda hapa pana. Give that person to choose what candidate he or she want. 2. At the Article 33 of the Constitution of Kenya, tumesungumusa kuhusu maneno ya propaganda. Usichukue na nafasi ya kushare idea with your colleague, alafu uweke maneno ya propaganda, alafu naweza kulete chaos within the community. Today we share more on the electoral process, and I hope after
who do not have votes, who have not reached the age of voting, to try as much as possible to avoid political rallies. We know that some time back we had children who are really injured in political rallies. Some were killed, and we call upon the parents and even in the churches, church leaders, let's talk to our parents to keep our children safe during these few days that are remaining of the campaigning period. And also we thank the Lord for the Iebc. The Iebc's preparedness, according to what we have seen and what we are hearing from the representation of the Iebc on the ground, we see that the Iebc is really prepared. And as they are prepared, we also call upon them to really look deeply into the issues of concern of the major political alignments. We know that there are areas that the political alignments, the coalitions are differing. Some are supporting the Iebc, some are saying the Iebc need to work on one or two things just to make things straight. So we call upon the Iebc in general to just look into details into the concerns so that the ground can be levelized for all the coalitions and individuals who are aspiring so that everything will go on well.